Hi everybody, my name is Megan Amati and I will be your instructor for this Counseling 110 online 4-week course. So let's go ahead and get started. I just wanted to do a quick video and show you just a couple of features on how to navigate this online course, especially for those of you who are taking an online course for the very first time. So let's start off by going to our dashboard. So this is your dashboard. This is where all of your online courses are going to pop up. So let's go ahead and grab our course right here. The very first thing you're going to notice is that any recent announcements that I send to you, which I will be sending, are always going to pop up right here up at the top. And then if you basically scroll down, you're going to see the different buttons that I've created here for easy access to these different items here. Now, all of these items are also going to be under modules, okay, and we're going to go there in just 1 minute. But these are all the different links that you need to play with a little bit just to get acquainted with them. So announcements, modules is where you're going to see all of your assignments that I have week by week for the whole 4 weeks. Quizzes, there's a total of 3 of them. They're going to show up right there. They're also going to show up in the modules. This is where you can access the gradebook and see your grades. You also get Office 365 for free through Palomar, so you can click on that and it'll take you right to the link where you can sign up for that. So let's go ahead and click on modules, and you will see that it has the whole entire class laid out here for you, starting with the syllabus, tentative outline, orientation material, and then it starts going through week by week. So here's week 1, and then week 2, week 3, and week 4, and it lists the dates in which the class is going to open, and then the date that it's going to close. You have from Monday to Monday to go ahead and complete each item that is underneath each week. The orientation quiz, for example, under week 1 is the only thing that's not due on June 3rd. Everything else you will notice, it says June 3rd here, except for the orientation quiz, which is due May 31st. If you do not complete this quiz, then I have to drop you from the course because that basically says to me that you are not being active in the course. Now again, remember, this is only a 4-week course, so it goes by pretty quickly. Okay, there's going to be some lesson modules within the week, and this just kind of goes over what lesson I'm trying to teach you for that particular week. Lesson 1 has 2 modules, and then you will notice the same exact assignments that are listed under the module are also hyperlinked. I've hyperlinked them here as well for easier access. One of the important things I have found to make your guys' lives easier as an online learner is to link the different assignments and have different access points where you can access them. You'll also notice under each module additional training resources. There's really nothing to do here. It's just additional resources for you, so it's really worthwhile to go ahead and check that out. You might find some really useful information underneath that. So if we were to go back, those are the modules, and then again the quizzes. There's a total of 3 of them, and then plus the orientation quiz, and you'll notice there are no points for this. That's why it's considered a survey. I'm not grading this one, but it basically, you taking it will allow you to stay in the class, and if you don't take it, you will be dropped from the class. And then the other 3 are graded with the different points indicated. Gradebook right now, you will notice that you know, there's nobody here yet, but you will be able to see it just for you and the assignments that you have completed and your total points. This navigation bar right here, this just takes you to the dashboard. This one right here lists the course and all your courses that you are taking. This one is a really neat calendar, and it allows you to stay organized. The quickest way to get a hold of me is through this inbox right here. And I also have that mentioned if you were to go in the module and under orientation There's orientation video and welcome to college success and all that, and right underneath is instructor contact. So I tell you right here that the best way to get a hold of me is to email me directly through the Canvas inbox. Usually takes about 24 hours for me to respond to you, but I am pretty quick at getting back to you if you email me through that. If you email me through my regular email at Palomar, it gets buried in there. So just make sure that you're sending me a message through inbox. And that pretty much does it for this short tutorial, and I look forward to having you all in the class. Have a good day. Bye-bye.